Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and this episode is the continue from the previous that I talked about the rear wheel hub seal leak. And this clip I'm going to show you how to change a new one to your rear wheel hub. Let's check it out. So following the problem, if you have the situation of the rear wheel hub seal leaks, just like last time, the way how to inspect your oil leak type, there are two types. That this is from the worn out of the rear wheel seal here, and also from the loose lock nut of the rear wheel hub. Be sure which one is yours before you're going to order the part. Don't waste your time and your money spend on the part that you don't need for necessary. And this clip I'm going to show you how to take it out, change a new one. And for the PX series, there are two types of the rear wheel hub seal. First is the outside, just like this. And the second type, the seal is located inside of the crankcase, which to change it you need the engine overhaul strip. And for today's case, I'm going to show you if you have a previous or an older version of the PX, and this is gonna be very easy to change. So let's check it out. You need to have the tool, the picky, just like this is enough. You don't need to have a special ply just like for car. And to take it out is just put it in and then pull up, very easy. I'm going to show you, and that's it. So now you see the seat of the seal and also some dirt with the oil there. Before I'm going to change, or you going to change, you have to clean it very clean here. The surface of the new seal seat should be very clean, no dust or any contaminate, to make it sit properly. And be sure the size or the series of your engine that you are riding. Try to buy it correctly in one time, then you don't waste the time. So now I'm going to install, show you how I do it. And as this PX seal is get the engine overhaul not so long time ago, but I don't know the history from the previous owner how they fix. But as my experience, if the seal is still soft and no crack and anything, I think I can show you how to install the old one back, which is not so different. Just be sure that you have the correct size of the seal through your engine. There are some little trick to prevent the leak for you here. You can also apply some adhesive gasket of the car automotive through the rim here. You just apply it before, just a little, not so much. And then when you install it, try to make it flush to the rim of the case, like this. In the older vintage frame series, some series, the installing seal is just finished by put it back the seal like that and just tap to the rim like this. It's a finished work. But this PX series, I saw there is a little curve down, which you have to push equally a little bit deeper inside. See, as there is a flush. So that's why I would like to recommend you to apply some little adhesive gasket seal to prevent and get the 100% seal that the oil will not leak out after when you install back to your tires. Here I'm going to show you close up that you see there is a little groove curved down, and this type of seal you have to push it a little bit more and it's a good idea to apply some gasket seal. But in older version, if there is no curve down, you just tap to the rim tightly, flatly, just like I showed you before. And that's it. It's very easy. And I understand that because now the engine is outside and it's on the fixing case stand, so it's easy. But when you fix your seals during the engine is installed to your Vespa, it's gonna be more difficult. But the way to do is just like this. So I hope that this clip is useful for you. It's quite simple to change the rear wheel hub seal, and of course if the engine is outside of the Vespa, just like this. But anyway, the solution, the way to do, is not far from this information. So I hope that to see you next time, and stay tuned in our channel. Stay home, be safe during the COVID outbreak, and now second wave is coming, of course. Fix your Vespa if you have free time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.